craving Khandy. TikTok Livewire dropping tunes. But does she have it?
Like, you want my real name?
Your real name?
Nigel Palmer. But you can call me Jada.
Or Khandy as she's known on TikTok.
Khandy is loud, Khandy is vibes, Khandy, you know, Khandy is just out there.
Give me an example.
Guys, I'm Mr. Top of the screen. Me want some top stripe there, so. Me want some top stripe there, so. And me go so, boom, boom, bam, bam. Listen to me now, guys. Top up his screen. Man, I ask Christ. I don't know so cute, don't this summer now. Some cute and some lovely. Lovely, lovely. Cute, cute. That me a top, but flips here.
Drink jelly water till me start choke.
But for right now, this is, you're speaking to Jada right now.
Please, me want happy, please. Put it off, put it, make me feel like sneeze.
What were you doing before TikTok?
First of all, I did call center work, then I did dancing. I went on Instagram and I started dancing for several artists.
So what kind of dancing though?
Exotic dancing.
Go-go dancing?
No, not go-go.
But going on to TikTok with the hope of making more money.
Well, when I just started, I did prank calls. Okay, so I'm gonna prank you now, okay? You know what say? Your woman, I take my man. I'm not like that. More you tell your woman say, for stop take my man. You understand? They don't know, but the people on my live stream, they know and they're like cracking up and we're all having fun. When you're leveling up, people tend to, they don't like that. So then they will come and they will start beef with you and be like, oh, Khandy, I know nobody. So you do this, you just buy one car, you go like at the on top of the world and then when cuss and then I will answer them and then it's a whole.
Weren't you on TikTok the other day and you were very emotional because some other TikToker had died?
Yes.
And people were giving you a hard time.
Hold on, when I got bus said funeral, the whole like people them on TikTok for cancel on if it come down.
Apparently you didn't go to the funeral.
Well, I wasn't shedding tears, but on the media, I wasn't shedding tears on the media. I shed my tears off the media. But because I just did my body, as you can see, so my feet were swell and I just couldn't make it, so.
What was wrong with your body before you got work done on it?
Okay, so my body, nothing was wrong with my body before having baby. But the baby now, it changed my body a bit, so I had a little mommy pouch. I just feel like some have put, you know, sexy up and...
You sexied up and did what to your body?
A tummy tuck, a lipo, a BBL, and I got some hips. Just to feel more confident in my clothes and confident about myself. Not saying I hate myself, but sometimes I see some clothes and I want to rock it, I want to wear it, and then when I look down, I'm like, you know, so my belly not gonna work with that clothes here, you know? But, so I just got it done.
You could have gone to the gym, Khandy, and worked out.
The gym take too long, you have to put in, it just too long, too much time, you know? So you could say, you get too cut, and you set, you just go to gym after, you know, after you go to gym, you keep up the body where you buy.
You would recommend that to your daughter when she grows up?
Definitely not, but I wouldn't recommend it to her, but I would say if she wants to do something, all I have to do as a mother is be supportive of her. Tell her, say, listen, this don't make sense. Because a lot of people, it doesn't make sense. You know, like, why you da risk your life?
You were there the other day on TikTok comparing yourself to Spice and Shenseea?
Well, I wasn't comparing myself to them. You know, Cartel had his big show, and basically I was there and I was saying, like, if we went to the show, a lot of people would want to take picture with us. So why not just put us on the show? Not necessarily saying we should go on the show to do something or perform, but like to just book us to be there, take pictures with people, and then it was like, it went really bad. Like it went really, really bad.
Really bad, but good for you in terms of numbers.
Yes, in terms of people saying, who is this girl? Who does she think she is? And then they will look me up. So it worked out.
But Cartel probably doesn't know who you are.
I think he does.
You think he's savvy enough and smart enough to want you at his show?
Definitely.
Why would it make sense to have Khandy brawling at Freedom Street?
Because Khandy brawling brings a lot of heat, a lot of entertainment. When I am entertaining, it's like I am in a whole nother world. So to have me on his show, I think it would be spectacular.
So who is this Donia person?
Lord God Almighty. Do one ya rock, we going to do one ya rock. Aye.
Do one ya rock, we do one ya rock. Rock.
We have the hand make a finger them. You can do one ya rock, give you have a jelly back. All right.
Me shall try, but him belly too fat.
No, there's no romance, but a lot of shows that I am on, he's on too. So we travel a lot. We got a lot of shows together. We talk, you know, on different levels. So I would consider that more than just our TikTok friendship.
I was asking around about you, and there was some story about a missing child, and you went on TikTok to appeal for information about the child's whereabouts because maybe the baby father had absconded with the child. Is that correct?
Most of it.
So what isn't correct?
No, basically nothing is incorrect because he actually took the baby because he thought that I had some relationship because he cheated on me and then he thought I cheated on him, so he took my baby out of spite. But I got some help from some of my TikTokers, the TikTokers that I play with, like Miss Triple, Maya Slays, and other TikTokers. They were calling him, Queen Nikki, they were like calling him and asking him to bring the baby back, and then, you know, I got her back, and yeah. But it wasn't, from my point of view, it was really serious. It wasn't about the views, it wasn't about TikTok, but I'm glad I had the platform to get help from the TikTokers and get her back.
And from freestyling over beats on her live, Khandy now a recording act.
SINGLE.
I wasn't thinking about that until I met my manager, Father Axe Young Badness. I wasn't thinking about that, but he made me see a wider perspective of life. But music now, music can't stop. A lot of bookings, a lot of shows, I got more popular from the music. I want to be out in the world. I don't just want to be on TikTok.
Are you sure that you have what it takes to make an impact in the music business?
I just started like 5 months ago, and my first song going down, it's 1.1 million views right now. And then I did a song with Intense. It all worked out. I have a new song out right now with Nelly Katoy. That's a Trinidad artist, and it's going pretty well right now. And I'm actually glad that I did a song with her to see if it can push me out of Jamaica. My house that I'm building right now, even my car that I have, I got that out of music because I have a lot of shows.
And the naysayers out there who are going to look at you and judge you because you are curvaceous and you have a look, you're pretty, but they're going to say musically the talent ain't there.
A lot of people be like, oh, she's not a talent, but yet still you sit down in your car and you hear me on the radio. You go to one party, you hear Khandy brawling in the short space of time that me reach right now, it's really astonishing. Yesterday when I touch the stage and people hear Khandy, everybody starts screaming, woo! Everybody has screamed down the place. When me get to understand now with the hate, people we hate you now. And so when they reach on a level and them sister, them do that try to stop you and them can't stop you, them get to respect you. You understand? So me feel like I will gain the respect from some Jamaicans that are hating on me right now because I'm not planning to stop anytime soon.
Khandy in the Champs after party lineup for Up to the Line.
You can talk anything you want about me, I'm a